हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल मस्ट बी फाइन। तो मेरे क्लास 3 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड फॉर मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड। इन द लास्ट क्लासेस, in the last two classes we have already completed the chapter numbers, and in today's class we are going to start the chapter computation operations. Okay, if you have not still watch that video, then you can go to the playlist and check it out. Okay, so should we start now? Okay, let's start it. The first question is, what is 700 plus 13 tenths? Okay, 700 means, okay, so let me change the color first. 700 plus 30 tenths, 700, okay, plus 13 tenths. 13 tenths means 13 into 10, that is equal to 130. So 700 plus 130, that is equal to 038. So what is the correct option? Correct answer is 830, that is present in option D. Okay, so next question. How many tens are there in 270 plus 730? So 270, 730. If we added 0, 0, 1, 10. So the answer is 1000. In 1000, how many tens are present? This is present in ones place. This is present in tens place. In tens place, okay, total number is 100. In tens place 0 is present. If you are asked with how many tens are there, so in total 10 place what is present? 100. So how many tens are there? There are 100 tens. Okay, आ रहा है बच्चों सबको समझ में? Okay, let's move to the next question. Number 3. 2 burgers is equal to rupees 10. So if 2 burger is equal to rupees 10, so we can find out the price of 1 burger. What is 1 burger price? If 2 equal to 10, then 1 equal to rupees 5. Okay, so where is it available? In rupees 10, 2 burger. Okay, let me find out and go. And I will inform you also. Okay, so in one ice cream and one cake, rupees 18. Okay, one ice cream, one cake, rupees 18. So we don't know the exact values. One cake and one burger, rupees 15. We know that burger is rupees 5. So one cake, how much it is? One cake equal to rupees 15 minus rupees 5, that is equal to rupees 10. Okay, and one ice cream plus one cake, rupees 18. We got one cake at rupees 10. So one cake is if rupees 10. How is the cost? What is the cost of one ice cream? One ice cream is equal to 18 minus 10, that is equal to rupees 8. Okay, so what is the question? What is the cost of an ice cream? So cost of an ice cream, we already found it out. Okay, that is rupees 8, present in option B. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Next question. What is the next number in the given series? 2105, 2110, 2115, 2120, 2125. Okay. So can you see some common difference between this? For 2105 to 2110, it is plus 5. Then 10 to 15, again plus 5. Then again plus 5. So there is jump of plus 5. So if you add plus 5 here, what number you get? That is 2130. Okay, so is it present in option? Yes, it is present in option C, that is 2130, 2130. Okay, bachcho. Next question. A digit number is given. A578. A 4-digit number is given. So it is a 4-digit number. Okay. This is a 4-digit number. If the sum of any 3 consecutive digits is 20, find the value of A. Okay. Sum of any 2-digit number means A plus 5 plus 7. Okay. These are 3 consecutive digits. Consecutive means continuously next. Next continuous consecutive digits, 3 digits, 5 plus 7 plus 8. So A plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 8. So how to find out? You can calculate and find out. But let me tell you something, a short trick. Here 5 is present, here 7 is present, here also 5 is present, here also 7 is present. So what is extra? What is present in extra? Here A is present, here 8 is present. So of course A is equal to 8. Okay, got it? Here in left side also 5 and 7 are present, right side also 5 and 7 are present, and in left side A is present and in right side 8 is present. So A should be equal to 8. Okay. um Sum of any three consecutive digits is 20. No, it's not 20. Digit each same. Okay. So A is equal to 8. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option D. Okay. So next question. Which number should be written in the given box to make the number sentence correct? Okay. 8222. Sorry, 8220 is less than dash plus 10. Okay, so we have to check the numbers. So here if I will write 8220 plus 10, that will be equal to 8230. Okay, so this option is correct. 8210 plus 10, that is equal to 8220. Okay, so 8220 is less than 8220. No, that is equal to excuse me. Next, 8205 plus 10 is equal to 8215. So 8220 is less than 8215. No. Next, 8200 plus 10 is equal to 8210. So is 8220 is less than 8210? No. Okay, so which is the correct option? That is option A, 8220, because when we add 10 with it, it becomes 8230. So 8220 is less than 8230. Let me write here, 8220 is less than 8230. Okay. Next question. Which digit should be placed in dash so that the following addition is correct? Okay. So here we have added this plus this and we got this. So we have to find out, fill up the blank place. Okay. So how many, means what number plus 8 should be equal to 2? 8 is a greater number. So 2 is a lesser number. If we add something with 8, can it be 2? Not possible. But can it be 12? Yes, of course it is possible. So what is the dash? It is 4. Okay. So 4 is the answer. So let us check. 4 plus 8, 12, 2. Then 6, 3, 9, 4, 6, 10. Yes, of course, the correct answer is option 8, that is equal to 4. Okay, let's move to the next question. Krishna lives 150 meters away from Durga's house. So, Krishna and Durga distance is 150 meters. Madhavi lives 75 meters away from Durga's house. Okay, here the distance is 75 meters as shown. How far does Krishna live from Madhavi's house? Okay, distance from Krishna to Madhavi. So they are present in a row. So we can simply add them. 150 plus 75, 5, here 22, 225 meter. So which is the correct option? That is option B, 225 meter. Okay. Next question. 5232 less than which number is 6953? From which number, if we subtract from a number, if we subtract 5232, we will get 6953. So what is the number? How to get? We have to simply add these numbers. Okay. Simple thing, something minus 4 is equal to 5. So how to find out this number? We just add 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So we have to do this way. So how to find out this question mark? So we have to add 5232 with 6953. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, 2 plus 9 11, 12. 12,185. So is it present in option? Yes, it is present. Where it is present? It is present in option C. Okay. So बच्चों मजा आ रहा है सबको? Next question. This is a magic triangle. What is it? This is a magic triangle. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of A, B and C. You know what magic triangle is? In magic triangle, whatever side you add the numbers, you will get the same number. Okay? Either you add this 2685 plus A plus 3100. Okay? That will be equal to 3100 plus C plus 2973 this side. Okay, that will be also equal to this side. That means 2685 plus B plus 2973. Okay, so in this type of questions, these questions carry much more time. So I suggest you, if you get this type of question in the exam, you just skip. Okay, for that time you skip, otherwise you will spend 10 minutes here and you will you cannot attain more 8 to 10 questions. Okay, because in Olympiad exams we have to attend the question, we have to make it correct. Okay, we have to make it correct, and also it has to be done in particular time period. Okay, there is a limited time. So in this type of question which take much more time, you keep it to attend means in last. Okay, you attend all the question, you keep it to solve in last. So let me give you a short trick here. We don't know what is the sum. Okay, so we have to check these options ABC. We have to check this option. So what you have to do, you just remember one thing: these three numbers, in these three numbers, between these three numbers, which two numbers are greater? Which two numbers are greater? If we arrange, 3100 will be greatest, then comes this number, then comes this number. Okay, so remember this trick. So if the greater numbers are there, 3100 and 2973, if the greatest numbers are there, to add them, this should be the smallest number. Otherwise they cannot be same. If greater numbers are there, you should add their smallest number. Okay, and if smaller numbers are there, smaller numbers means the 2685 and 2973, they are smaller. If the smaller numbers are there, you have to add here the greatest number. Okay, and it will be in the middle. Got it what I want to say? If greater numbers are there, you have to add their smallest number. If three numbers are given, you have to add their smallest number. And if smaller numbers are there, you have to add the greatest number here. Okay, so how to do? You have to choose the option. Okay, it is the short trick. Remember students, you have to check the option where C will be smallest, because 3100 is greatest and 2970 is next to the greatest number. So where, in which option C is smallest? A, B, C. Here C is not smallest. Okay, so this cannot be the option. Next, A, B, C. Is C smallest here? No. So it cannot be the option. You have to apply it elimination technique. Okay, elimination technique means which cannot be the option. Okay. Next, here A, B, C. Here C is the smallest, so it can be the answer. Next, A, B, C. Here also C is the smallest between A, B, C, so it can be the answer. So we have to check option C and D. So here we can do, we can attend the second thing, that lesser numbers are 2685 and 2973. Okay, if the two lesser numbers are there, the greatest number should be added. So B should be greatest. So we have to check option C and D here again. In which number, in which option greatest number is B? 815, 842. Greatest number is B? No. 842, 715. Greatest number is B? Yes. So, from this elimination option and from preventing yourself from counting, you can just looking at the option, you can find out the correct option. Okay. So, the correct option is option D. If you are unable to understand this question, you just replay the video. Okay, play the video again, you can able to understand. Whenever there are larger two numbers, you have to add the smallest number in case of magic triangle. Okay, in case of smaller two numbers, you have to add the greatest number. So here in all the options A, B, C are present, so we have to find that where C is smallest. We got two options, C and D. Then we don't have that much time to check the answers. Okay, put everything and check. So in the 2685 and 2973, they are the smallest smaller numbers. So we have to check in which option B is greatest. So B is greatest in 842. So you can confidently write that option D is correct. Okay, and for you a homework is that you just add. Now you know the value of A, B and C. You just add. Okay, in A you put 715, in C you put 427, in B you put 842, and you will be surprised to knowing that all these values will be same. Okay, in fact all these values are same. Clear? This is homework for you. You just check it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which number is 200 more than 12 hundreds? 12 hundreds, 11 tens. Okay, 12 hundreds means 12 into 100, that is equal to 1200, and 11 tens. 11 tens means 11 into 100, that is 110. So if we add it, what we will get? 0131, that is 1310. Okay, but what we have to find out, we just don't have to find out this number, we have to find out the number which is 200 more than this. So we can again add 200. 0151, 1510 is the correct option. So where is it present? It is present in option C, 1510. So आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Let's move to the next question. A fruit seller had 5,274 fruits on Sunday. Okay. He sold 892 fruits on Monday and 974 fruits on Tuesday. How many fruits does he have on Wednesday? That means in Sunday he was having 5,274. Okay. Means it is the number which was present. And he sold in Monday, he sold 892, and in Tuesday he sold 974. So how many fruits does he have on Wednesday? Means after selling Monday and Tuesday, what is he left with? Okay, so it is total sold. Okay, number of total fruits sold plus 2 plus 4, 6, 9, 7, 16, 9, 9, 18. Okay. It is sold. It was originally present. So he is left with, what we need to do? We need to subtract this. 14, 6, 8, 0, 4, 3. 3,408 is the left. Okay. Left means he has this on Wednesday. Okay, Sunday he had something, and then something was sold, then he is left with 3,408, which is the correct option. Okay, got it? Okay, next question. Neil counted 16 pencils, 21 pens and 27 erasers at a stationery shop. What was the total number of pencil and eraser? Okay. In a hurry, you may add all the numbers, but remember one thing, you need not add all the numbers. You are asked the total number of pencils and erasers. You know it very well, but it may be means it may be wrong when you are in a hurry. Okay, so number of pencil 16 plus number of erasers 27, that is equal to 43. Okay, so what is the correct option? That is option B, 43. Okay, next question. Raj has 10 markers and Nancy has 10 markers. Which of the following action would result in Raj and Nancy have same numbers? Okay, I think in today's class there are some printing mistakes over there. Okay, so Raj has here, I think Raj has 6 markers and Nancy has 10 markers. So, which of the following action would result in Raj and Nancy have same number of markers? So, what you should do, you should find the difference. Okay, you should find the difference. What is the difference? That is 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. So you have to divide this number. 4 divided by 2. Divide this number by 2. Okay, why 2? Because two children are there, Raj and Nancy. 4 divided by 2, 2. So this is the number of marker which one should give to other. Okay, this is the number of marker which one should give to other. Who should give? Who has more number of marker? Okay, to whom should she give? To the child which possesses less number of marker. So who has more number of marker? Nancy has more number of marker, so he has to give 2 markers. To whom? To Raj. Why? Because Raj has less number of markers, so Nancy gives 2 of his markers to Raj. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Got it, bachcho? Okay, let's move to the next question. In a car park, there were 873 blue cars and 1317 white cars. There were 289 more red cars than blue cars. So, how many cars were in the car park? Okay. So, number of blue car, how much? 873. How many number of white car? That is 1317. And what is the number of red car? That is what is it? 289 more than blue cars. Okay, blue cars 873 plus 289. It is the number of red cars. Okay, 3 9 12 2 8 8 16 1162. So it is the number of red card. So what we have to do? We have to simply add them. 3 7 10 to 12. Then 8 9 6 15. 9 3 12 1 13. 3 3 3 5 2. So is it present in the option? Yes, it is present in option. It is present in option C. Okay, bachcho. So how was the session and how were the questions? Thought interesting. So this much for today's video. Let's meet you in our next video with some much more amazing question. Okay. Till then mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay. Bye.